Hey English students, it's your instructor Cody Miller here with a quick update on English 103 in terms of scheduling and in terms of what to expect next week and what we did this week. Okay, there also will be another video that you need to watch in terms of kind of some extra help if you are struggling with this assignment. You'll see that in this announcement as well, another video like right below it, and then that'll also be on my YouTube channel. So feel free to check that out, okay? I'm going to share my screen so that you're able to see what I see. All right, or I'm able to see what you see. Now, when we scroll down and we look at the course schedule, so remember that I do have Monday and Wednesday and Tuesday and Thursday classes. So when we look at tentative schedule for Unit 3, or tentative schedule 3 for the unit that we're in, and we scroll down all the way to the section heading for week 7. We spent a great deal of time talking about logical fallacies. We discussed jib fouls today or yesterday, depending on which course you're in. We reviewed citations and we spent a little time on works cited pages. That will be part of that video that I post that's other than this one here, okay? We had the rhetorical tools elephant video come due. I'm going to talk about that briefly in this announcement as well. And then we had the jib fouls and journal 3. So if you're in my Monday, Wednesday classes, that came due on Wednesday. If you're in my Tuesday, Thursday classes, that comes due tonight at 11:55. Okay. Next week, I am asking that you bring your drafts with you, and that's the rhetorical analysis draft is coming due on Monday. And then we continue conferences for 3 days. Okay. Which will then result in you submitting your final rhetorical analysis and us moving on to the next unit, which is the informative research paper. So that's largely the schedule and what we have to look forward to. So I want to make sure I'm showing you the things on Moodle that you need to know about. Okay. Let me get rid of that. There we go. So if we go into the assignment area of Moodle, so that is the assignment section. You'll remember I talked about the writing consultation in class and that there is now a video posted here that helps you see how to schedule an appointment. Along with that, we continue to scroll down. We had the elephant video, which is right here, came due. Depending on which class, it was either Tuesday or it was Wednesday, or it was Wednesday or Thursday. Now, there was a couple students who emailed me about a problem with this quiz in terms of missing one of the questions, even though they got them all right. I am going to go in and I'm going to take a look at that. I believe I figured out what happened, and that's that there's a summary question that requires you to click on it for it to pop open, and I believe many students might not have done that. That is an error in the construction of the quiz on my behalf, so I will give points back for that if I find that that's the issue. Okay, you should see the 3 add points plugged in as well. Let's see here, the jib fouls came due for us. Now this is what you are bringing to class next week. I've asked you to make sure you print off the rhetorical analysis conference sheet, so you'll notice that's right above the rhetorical analysis draft assignment. So you click on that, and then you download this and you'll bring it to class. So that is points put into the grade book for you as well. You don't submit this, you bring it to class as a hard copy. You do the same with your rhetorical analysis draft right here, 3rd item up before unit 3. And in here, you both submit it to Moodle, but you also bring it as a hard copy. So that's how it's the same as the rhetorical analysis conference sheet. As you are working through your paper and your draft, remember this is not a full draft that you're submitting to me. Instead, it is the thesis, the rhetorical appeal section, and the rhetorical situation section. I am going to spend a little bit more time talking about the rhetorical situation in that other video that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So please check that out, especially if you're struggling with that section. Let's see here. So the draft, remember, is due on Monday if you're in my Monday, Wednesday classes, or it's due on Tuesday if you're in my Tuesday, Thursday classes. If you are looking for a little bit of help in terms of things we covered in class, let me click back here to Unit 2. You'll remember that the jib fouls is located right here, so please make sure that you are reviewing that. We covered logical fallacy stuff today, and we spent some time dealing with the in-text citations as well as the works cited page. So check that other video for that. I did want to point these out to you, these two things, the rhetorical analysis sample essay and the rhetorical analysis sample essay that has the Starbucks advertisement. We did not get a chance to cover these in class, but these could show you how to really attempt this paper and to do solid on it in terms of setting it up. Just know that these are not always perfect papers. These are papers here to act as samples to get you going. There are some things wrong with them, so we can't fall back on, oh, that's what the example did. Instead, we have to make sure we're knowing what's going on with this assignment itself. So if you're struggling with understanding where to find that assignment, please make sure that you know it's in Unit 2 under the rhetorical analysis essay, and it is the rhetorical analysis essay instructions right here. Other than that, I think that's all I have for you, but please make sure that you watch that other video so that you can pick up on any of the other things that I'm telling you. And other than that, have a good weekend and stay brilliant. Thanks, everyone.